How to log in into Chatbot Chat account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in chatbot.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Then go ahead and click on the option of login. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email address. Then type in the password. Or also you can use these options given over here, Google, Microsoft or Apple ID to log in. You'll only be able to use these options in the case you have created your account using these options. If you want to use any of the options, just click on it and with that you'll be logged into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on login and just with that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Chatbot Chat account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.